Hello my fashionista queens, who tell you cannot achieve a beautiful airdrop style using your Ankara material? So you see this style on my screen. We're going to be using our long Ankara fabric. This is like a joint fabric, like is a long length, and then you can see the way I take it from back to front and then I cross it in the front. I did not tie it, I just cross it in a V shape for my front, and then I went to the back and tucking that hand. So this should be like a 1.5 yard in length, and I just tuck it in at the back, so it makes it looks neat when you tuck it in like that. Then I come to the front, raise it up like this and start creating my small folds. You can actually use a pin to create this ruffle, but I try to minimize the use of pin in this airdrop style, so I use my rubber band method by using this ear tie because it's stronger to achieve my ruffle by the side. And see the way I'm folding the ruffle, guys, like just a small portion of Ankara, one at a time, and I'm going to be creating like 4 ruffles at the side using my hair tie by holding small portion of Ankara fabric in place. I was going to do 3, then I changed my mind to make it 4. That way that ruffle can be fuller. So I'm going to use the last hair tie I have in my hand and hold it in place, and then the excess fabric I'm just going to take it to the back and tuck it in, which makes this airdrop style a painless style. Like, we are not going to use any paint to achieve this beautiful Ankara ruffle hairstyle airdrop style. So I just continue to open up the folded part just to make it fuller, like open it up, expand it, let it be fuller, and that's all I'm doing here. And then I'm going to do the same thing for that last ruffle, which is the 4th one on the top. Open it up, let it all blend together. At this point, if yours is not blended together, you might have to use like a pin to hold it in place, but I like the way mine comes out, so I'm not going to use any pin to hold it in place. And here you have it, a very nice looking one-sided ruffled Ankara airdrop hair tie style that you can rock to work, to church, to any event of your choice. And see the back, see how neat it looks. It actually comes out so good without using a pin. You can achieve a beautiful Ankara airdrop style that you will look elegant and classic in less than 3 minutes. What else can you ask for, guys? I thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope you learned something. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video with 1, 2, 3, 5 people. I love you all. I will see you in my next tutorial. God bless.